After being deserted at the abandoned cement factory, Jeremy vowed to get his revenge on Long Gone. After months of being evaded, Jeremy finally found a way to get his revenge on Long Gone. He challenged Swamp Donkey to a very public boxing match. A match that Swamp Donkey couldn't pass up without looking like a coward. Finally a chance to get back at Long Gone.
Boys know the rules. Watch your low blows, kidney punches, rabbit punches. In case of a knockdown, you go to the corner I tell you to, and you stay there until I tell you to come out. Shake hands, let's have a good fight.
All right, it's time to go to school, son. Come on, get your hands up, man. You need an interpreter? It's time to go to school.
You will lose.
It's showtime! It's showtime! Be back in a minute, all right?
Round one. Dancing around. Backpedaling now. He's been away by.
Don't wait on him. Get off first.
Come on. Keep close there, Lamaya. Keep moving, ball. Stick him. Get out of there. For now. Time up now. Another right hand. Stay up. Step in and they stop it.
Listen, you understand? That's the picture!
Tremendous end to the first round.
I gotta stop. This fight's finished. I gotta call it. Look, Champ, you can't do no more out there.
I'm here to fight.
He's killing you. I gotta stop this thing.
I'm here to fight, promise me. You're not gonna stop this fight.
Comes out for round two, dancing around. The legs appear to be still a little rubbery.
Hands up! Hands up!
And now it is the Russian just standing there. The Russian trying to intimidate. And the Russian throws the right hand and staggers straight into the right to the jaw. Another right to the head. The referee tries to step in and he's thrown across the ring.
Put him down! Put him down! Put him damn down!
Not be defeated.
Somebody get him back there! To the right elbow!
I defeat all man.
It's absolute pandemonium.
Soon, I defeat the real champion.
What's the stretcher? Let him breathe, for God's sake!
What started out as a joke has turned out to be a descent.
Appears to be in very serious condition.
If he dies, he dies.